Deleting a virus doesn't always mean you're safe. In fact, many hackers count on that. Once they've broken in, their next goal isn't stealing data right away. It's staying inside undetected. This is what cybersecurity pros call persistence, the art of hiding in plain sight. Persistence is what makes modern cyber attacks so dangerous. Even if you clean the malware, patch the system, or change passwords, if the attacker left a hidden backdoor, they're still in. According to Mandiant's 2024 Threat Intelligence Report, the average dwell time, how long attackers stay undetected, is still around 16 days for external breaches. For internal network breaches, it can last months. 1. Startup persistence. The easiest way to stay hidden is to start every time your computer does. Hackers add malicious tasks to the startup folder or the Windows task singular. So even after a reboot, the malware comes right back. 2. Hidden accounts. Some attackers create secret admin accounts, often named something harmless like support admin or backup user. These stay invisible until someone checks user lists manually, and by then it's too late. 3. Remote access. Other hackers connect back to a control server called Command and Control, or C2. The infected device quietly checks in every few minutes for new instructions. This lets attackers control your computer even if you never see an app open. But persistence alone isn't enough. Attackers need to hide. They use evasion techniques to blend in. Some examples. Fileless malware. Runs entirely in memory, never touching the disk. Masquerading. Naming malware after legit processes like svshost, .exe, rootkits. Modifying the operating system itself to stay invisible. According to CrowdStrike's 2025 Global Threat Report, rootkit and fileless attacks rose 28% last year because antivirus tools can't see what's not on disk. So how do you fight this? Start with rebuild, not repair. If a system's been compromised, reinstall the OS from scratch. Don't trust that cleanup tools caught everything. Use EDR, endpoint detection and response, to watch for abnormal behaviors, not just known malware, and isolate infected systems immediately. Persistence spreads quietly. To stop evasion, focus on visibility. Segment your network so attackers can't move freely. Use logging tools like Sysmon or OSQuery to monitor unusual patterns. And don't forget, backups matter here too. Clean backups are your safety net when you can't see the infection. So to recap, persistence is how hackers make a one-time break-in last for weeks or months. Task scheduler jobs, hidden accounts, command servers, they all serve one goal: to stay invisible. The fix isn't just cleanup, it's reconstruction. Rebuild, isolate, and verify before trusting a system again. In the next video, we are breaking down the most common malware families, ransomware, trojans, rootkits, fileless attacks, and more. I'll explain what each one does, why they're dangerous, and one practical step you can take to defend against them.
Cybersecurity doesn't have to be scary or complicated. Here in Cyber, we show you how to make it simple, practical, and even a little fun. Stay smart, stay secure. This has been Z. Till next time.